What 58mm Swiss Army knife are you carrying on your keychain? Let's do some knife talk. Well, howdy, this is Hamid, out sitting here by the river, and I've had a dilemma recently where I lost my Rambler, the Swiss Army knife that got me back into knives, and has been on my keychain, and somehow it fell off, and I lost it. And I looked around, and it seemed like everywhere was out of stock. So I've been carrying the Mini Champ Alox on my keychain, and really starting to, I was missing the Rambler quite a bit, and you know, every Swiss Army knife has a certain specialness to it, and I've been finding something very special in this little knife. And it's got so many tools. Here, we can go through them really quick. Here's the main pen blade. One of my favorites is the combo tool with a magnetized Phillips head, wire stripper, and cap lifter. Probably the best tiny scissors in the world. And then all kinds of tools on the back. As a licensed massage therapist, this one's very important. The file with a little end here that can clean under nails. So this is really great for you LMTs in the gaggle. It's kind of a hooked Warncliffe kind of blade, a tracheotomy blade. I hope I never have to perform a tracheotomy on anyone, but there's that episode of MASH. Recently peeled in orange in elegant fashion with this little hook thing. That's quite marvelous. And what else we got? This is, if you ever need to measure something, a little ruler, a depth gauge with a flathead driver. And then the infamous Coke sniffer, pill pusher, little scoop, a little scoop of an implement that could possibly be used on some bigger flathead screwdrivers, on some screws. Yeah, this has been a really wonderful svelte, just disappears on the keychain, little Swiss Army knife. But I found the Rambler back in stock, found one of them, and so I ordered one. And here's my, it's pretty in this springtime sunshine by the river, in the original red classic Celador scales. It's a 2-layer 58mm knife, and with quite a few less tools compared to the Mini Champ Alox. Here is the main blade. That same awesome combo tool. Really like this tool. On the back side, incredible scissors come in handy on so many occasions. And the massage therapist's friend, the nail file, with a different tip. This has more of a broad tip as opposed to a little point. So is a little flathead driver. And since it's a classic Celador, it has the tweezers.
Yeah.
And the toothpick. Folks are walking by. So yeah, these are a couple different options. A lot of folks really, really love the Rambler, and I get it. I get that the tool set is just kind of what you need. And I'm still finding function for all of these different implements. I do love it. Like it, let's face it, an Alox Swiss Army knife is all kinds of beautiful bling. But you know, so is the classic. So I'm not sure which is going to win out on my keychain. I miss the scale tools. The Alox models don't have. I actually have something on the way that might be able to supplement this. So right now, I think I'm going to keep carrying the Mini Champ and keep this in the backup rotation. I may change my mind. I've got options. So these are just really easy to keep on a keychain. So, and my everyday carry has really evolved quite recently with this loss of the Rambler. But the Mini Champ has also prompted me to get this beautiful thing. Now, I've been carrying a Pioneer X for a while, but I kept missing one thing, and that is the saw. I come out here to the river very, very often looking for sticks to whittle upon, and having a little saw on me at all times just feels really great. There are times when I love carrying my silky folding saws, something a little bigger, but I like small saws because I only harvest small bits of wood. So the saw is a really, really great tool. Plus, saw has a 90-degree spine for striking a ferro rod, and yeah. So the other tools on the Farmer X Alox, the ever popular can opener, flathead driver, cap lifter, wire stripper, flathead, pry bar, the 90-degree stop. Of course, the saw on the next layer. And there. A bigger pair of scissors, some of the best small scissors ever made. Just really fantastic. The main blade. Really super slicey. And one of my favorite tools is the awl punch, the reamer, whatever you want to call it. I like using it as a drill for things like oh, my bag's too full. Well, somewhere I've got a whittle. Show it to you later. Maybe show some B-roll. Anyways, I like to use that as a drill. Bygones. So right now, my keychain and from a suspension clip, I like carrying this. I carry a lot of stuff in my pockets already, so the extra layer with the saw over the Pioneer X. I noticed it at first, but now I don't mind so much. I get used to a lot of things. And then in my right pocket carry has been a fixed blade knife by Exodus Knife and Tool. This is a pocket sheath from Spirit of the Bear. Put an Ulti clip 3.3 on it. And this is the Adventurecraft, designed by Jacob Peterson and manufactured by White River Knives. So Let's see if I can hold these all up. Maybe I cannot. All right, that's been my carry. Don't carry 3 knives at a time, kids. All right, I'm gonna wrap this one up and go enjoy the last light of the day. I'm curious, what are you carrying on your keychain? What 58mm Swiss Army knife do you like? And which do you like out of these, and why? Share in the comments. The Mini Champ Alox, the Rambler. Anyways, go enjoy the day. This is Hamid. I'm out.